geography, gets a transparent view of our decision making. On the whole, Illinois has been a relative success in handling this pandemic and maintaining a positivity rate that's much lower than our nearest neighbors. But it doesn't take long at all to reverse all of those gains and for a trajectory of success to turn on its head. Similarly, success in a state as big and diverse as ours doesn't mean that things look the same across our 58,000 square miles. Our current statewide 7-day rolling positivity average is 3.7%. That's significantly up from where it once was at around 2.5%. Here in Region 2, which includes Rock Island County, that rate is now 4.0%. And it's continuing to head in the wrong direction. That's why we've provided you with all the local public information about the spread of COVID-19 in every county on the IDPH website at dph.illinois.gov/countymetrics. And I'm going to repeat that for all the people who may be watching online, dph.illinois.gov/countymetrics. And of course, you can also find it on your local public health department website. We're counting on city and county leaders doing what they know is right to protect their residents. That includes closing or ticketing a bar that's not adhering to the 25% capacity limit and separating large gatherings when they exceed 50-person limits, as other communities across the state have done, like Springfield and Kankakee and Chicago. The state of Illinois is working with Rock Island public health officials and institutions to provide supplies and testing and support to help you bring down the infection rate before it gets out of control. And we're counting on local residents to hold your elected leaders accountable. Demand that they take action, because if they don't, they'll drive the entire region back to closed bars, closed restaurants, and greater job losses, and even another stay-at-home order. Here's the good news, though. There are proactive things that you can do to help. Wearing a mask. Wearing a mask is like wearing a seatbelt. It's required and it saves lives. If you cross the border to Iowa or Missouri, remember that they have 3 and 4 times our positivity rate. So even if you see someone there that's not wearing a mask, don't think you're safe. Wear your mask. In fact, encourage them to wear theirs. Another thing that you can do, if a contact tracer calls you, please answer your phone. Contact tracing is one of the most important things that we can do to stop the spread. And a contact tracer can also give you valuable information to make sure that you keep yourself healthy. Maintain physical distance, wash your hands, and continue looking out for your fellow Illinoisans.